National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Creek County in northeast Oklahoma, southwestern Mays County in northeast Oklahoma, extreme southeastern Osage County in northeast Oklahoma, southern Rogers County in northeast Oklahoma, central Tulsa County in northeast Oklahoma, northern Wagoner County in northeast Oklahoma, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed extremely dangerous tornado was located near Tulsa and moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction possible. Locations that are near the path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Catoosa, Verdigris, Annetta, and Enola. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 214 and 243. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Take cover in a basement or storm shelter now.
Oklahoma sky turned green, radio said take cover now, and yanked the porch like cords. Brick said what is that sound? Hop pop shoved the screen door shut, Polly grabbed the weather map, Molly stood there phone in hand when the siren snapped. Got the flashlight, got the boots, got the eggs off the shelf. Scratch said move to the hall, so we moved like hell. Wind hit hard like a freight car rattling.